on a diet?
What is this guy doing?
What's up, bro? What's going on?
You getting ready for the meet?
It's just a makeover. For Bondo with that.
Yeah.
Scared right now. If I fall off the stool right now, that's how you get some views. But it has to happen like for real, like, oh shit, damn.
That's gonna be the thumbnail, man. You go.
Get you all in the air like, ooh. Oh, got my thumb.
Don't need shit, bro.
Doesn't help, man.
I think I got him on tape. What the fuck up with this bee? Look at that! You got him on the lens!
The spray can was not spraying. Look at this little shit right here. Threw it away. I thought it was a lid. I thought it was a cap.
Hey, you're about to mess up your car, man. You're over there trying to be careful.
If you show them the box, it's like drops, dude. Duh.
Why did you even take that off?
I thought it was like a plug. I just, oh, you gotta take this shit off to make it work. Alright. I already wasted half of the. Bro, this thing is dripping like, mom. What the hell, man? I'm gonna go get some Rust-Oleum. I'm gonna take my mom's car and go get some Rust-Oleum.
What happened?
Bam. Yeah, it's spraying. You know what? Check the little nozzle. It's probably plugged already. Time to go check up on Fishy. I guess he's doing some work on his car too. Your brother just pulled up in a Ferrari.
Really?
Yeah, right now he's at your house. He's wearing a blue shirt.
Wow.
He has a Ferrari right here, man.
Yeah,
well, I guess.
Let me know if you guys are doing anything later on at night or something.
Alright.
Oh yeah, alright. I'll hit you guys up later, tomorrow, like.
Or later tonight.
Alright, yeah, for sure.
Alright.
Alright, see you, dude.
Later. Pinche fish left, man. I gotta eat. Drink?
Is there 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
I've never seen that brand. Pizza here, man.
My pizza good, man. It's good. I went to fucking Fishy's house. Oh shit. Cuz, man.
Bucket?
I went to Fishy's house and Fishy wasn't home. But I don't know. Where were you, Fish?
I don't know, man. We're going to the meet tonight? What about tomorrow?
And tomorrow.
Yeah, gotta get the cars ready.
2 meets for you guys.
Gotta get the cars ready, man. Look at this shit. What? Is that pizza?
Oh, what?
Is that pizza?
Yeah, sorry, man.
Oh, dude, I think it is pizza, bro.
It's fuck, man.
And I already took a chunk off too. Mozzarella?
No, I think I'll stand over here. Too far, man. Say that one saying that you said, just say it, man. Say it's not failure. It's just an opportunity to start over again.
Hey, but this time a little bit more smarter. Alright, guys? It doesn't look that bad, dude. If it's from far away, it doesn't look that bad. Or like if I take a picture of it.
Well, I mean, you're the only one who's saying it looks bad.
Yeah, I'm the only one that has looked at it, bro. More people look at it.
Hey, wait. But how is that Secret Society sticker gonna look on there?
That's gonna make it look a lot better, dude. That's all I need. That's all I need and that's all I want.